Hi, this is Ty Razowitz. You think you know? But you don't have the slightest idea.
Leave him dead just like the rest of them. Still testing him at the source of wars. His bodyguards wasn't protecting him. Now you acting like a nigga, you and Snoop tight. You wasn't there when he fighting for his life. That shit ain't right. It was me, best believe when I see your ass, I'm taking flight. Now nigga, turn back to the old you. That bitch from the world-class wrecking crew with your lipstick on and the dick in your ass. Haha, yeah nigga, you remember you.
So what do you say to somebody you hate? Leave your body full of holes, let the chalk and take. Motherfuckers don't fit a WA. Jeff Roll, give a fuck about Dre. So what do you say to somebody you hate? Leave your body full of holes, let the chalk and take. Motherfuckers don't fit a WA. Jeff Roll, give a fuck about Dre.
Fuck with us, we wear my niggas in the cut, ready to fuck you up. Got a proper bad bitch that'll set you up. Take you to the penthouse and let you fuck, then cut your nuts. Like a Ray been soft from the very start. Like when this fuck's ass, he ain't had no heart. Then Pac came out and he pulled the score. Had everybody knowing that your ass more. Fuck Nate Dogg, Eminem, and Snoop. And all the bitch motherfuckers that ride with you. I know they sided with you, they gon' hide with you. Yeah, nigga, motherfuckers gon' die with you. Be prepared to shoot, let the guns bust, nigga, act really smooth. Keep the rock little style in the Lexus cool. Everything you ride, nigga, is bulletproof. You know how Jeff Roll do.
So what do you say to somebody you hate? Leave your body full of holes, let the chalk and take. Motherfuckers don't fit a WA. Jeff Roll, give a fuck about Dre. So what do you say to somebody you hate? Leave your body full of holes, let the chalk and take. Motherfuckers don't fit a WA. Jeff Roll, give a
Y'all know
fuck
y'all
about Dre.
just mark ass, cook ass, bitch ass niggas who ain't gon' blast. When I see y'all niggas laugh, ain't none of y'all niggas with my ass. I'm real C-style in the Lexus coupe, high off weed and lots of loot. Ain't no telling what I'm gon' do when I catch that scary ass nigga Snoop. Might blast you, harass you, cause a nigga getting way more cash than you. Throwing up 1-9 while I pass.